Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to allow your contacts to add you to groups and channels on the Telegram app using your PC. This is based on the latest update, so you'll be getting the newest method available. Make sure you follow along step by step, so you can easily adjust your privacy settings in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click on the three small lines. This will open your main menu, where all of Telegram's key options are located. Next, from the list that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can manage almost everything about your Telegram account, from your appearance and notifications to your privacy and security preferences. Now select Privacy and Security. This is one of the most important sections, as it controls who can see your information, contact you, and add you to groups or channels. Inside this section, find the option labeled Invites. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see a few different privacy options that determine who can add you to group chats and channels. To allow only your contacts to add you, choose the option My Contacts. By doing this, only the people saved in your contact list will be able to invite you to groups or channels on Telegram. This helps protect your privacy and prevents random users or unknown numbers from adding you without permission. Once you've selected My Contacts, make sure to click on Save at the bottom of the screen. This confirms your new setting and applies the change right away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Telegram privacy settings so that only your contacts can add you to groups and channels.